All right, so today we're going to take a deep dive
Okay.
into data science.
Sounds good.
And you sent over
Yeah.
this really popular YouTube video as a starting point. And I
Yeah.
got to say,
Yeah.
the fact that it's in Hindi
Right.
with an English title and description,
Yeah. Yeah.
it really says something
Interesting.
about how global data science is becoming.
Yeah. It really speaks to, I think, how data science is becoming a universal language in itself. You know what I mean?
Absolutely.
Connecting people across borders and all that.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
So this video is for beginners. And it kind of emphasizes this idea of data science being like a mix of different disciplines.
Totally.
Like stats programming.
Yeah.
Even knowing the subject you're working with.
It's true. And I think what's really interesting is how the video uses this analogy of a detective solving a mystery. You know, it kind of paints this vivid picture of how data scientists are like detectives piecing together clues, but these clues are hidden within data.
I like that. Instead of like dusting for fingerprints, they're sifting through. Yeah,
they're sifting through spreadsheets and code.
Exactly.
Looking for those insights.
But what kind of mysteries?
That's a great question.
Can they actually solve?
So let's say the healthcare industry.
Okay.
For example, data scientists are using patient data to build these predictive models to identify potential outbreaks before they happen.
Wow.
You know?
That's amazing.
So this allows hospitals to allocate resources better and potentially save lives.
So it's really about finding patterns.
Exactly.
Insights.
Totally.
That you wouldn't be able to see otherwise.
It's like having a superpower, you know, to see things that are hidden from plain sight.
But how do they actually do that?
Wow.
The video mentioned algorithms.
Right. So algorithms are essentially sets of instructions that computers follow to process and analyze data. Okay.
It's like a recipe that guides the computer to find those hidden patterns and make predictions.
So is there like an example of that?
Yeah. So think of like a recommendation algorithm, like the one Netflix uses to suggest movies that you might enjoy.
Yeah.
It analyzes your viewing history and compares it to millions of other users to find similar tastes.
Okay, so data science isn't just about collecting data.
It's not just about the data itself.
It's about using tools and techniques to make the data meaningful.
It's about extracting meaning and insights from that data.
Useful.
Making it actionable.
Yeah.
Turning it into something that can drive decisions.
Okay. The video also touched on needing domain expertise.
Right.
Why is that so important?
So data on its own is just raw information.
Okay.
Right? It's like ingredients without a recipe.
Okay.
To extract meaningful insights, you need an understanding of the context surrounding that data.
Right. So, for example, if you're analyzing sales data for a clothing retailer, it helps to have knowledge of like fashion trends, seasonal buying patterns.
Makes sense.
Even competitor strategy.
So it's really a blend of technical skills and creativity.
Absolutely.
And this deep dive has been really eye-opening.
It is a fascinating field.
Data science is a really powerful tool.
Without a doubt.
And it can impact so many aspects.
It already is.
Of our lives.
Yeah. And it's only going to grow from here.
And this is just the beginning.
Right.
Data science is always
it's constantly
changing with new technologies and applications emerging all the time.
It's an exciting time to be involved in this field.
So for you listening, think about this.
Absolutely.
What problem in your life could data science potentially solve?
It's a great question to ask.
Could it be finding the most efficient route to work?
Yeah.
Optimizing your workout routine? Or even predicting the best time to buy your favorite coffee?
There you go.
The possibilities are endless.
Exactly.
Maybe this deep dive has inspired you to explore further.
I hope so.
All right, thanks for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
See you next time.
See ya.
Bye.